It's about 9:45 on Tuesday morning, September 14th, and we're off the Malibu coast, headed east-southeast. Not too much wind, but we have the drifter out on a pole. Big sail. Cruising along at about 3.5 knots. Nice easy sail. It's 91 miles to Oceanside, and the crew just informed me this is so quiet and peaceful they want to do this overnight rather than try to get in there at midnight. Here's the Malibu coast and the Santa Monica Mountains. And here is the crew. Wave, crew. Wave. 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 That's the crew. They think this thing's almost over, so now they're going to start smiling again.
We're going to be there in 25 hours now.
The more sail we put up, the further we are from getting where we want to be.
We're going backwards.
Out there somewhere is Anacapa and Santa Cruz Mountains.